What's up everybody, welcome to SS Academy. In this tutorial I'm gonna talk to you about our last two variable or data types. By the way guys, we're almost there, we're almost finished with our data types. We have just remained two data types and I will show you and we will continue to our next tutorial. Let me show you one of them. Until here we always saw numeric data type. You can see here decimal number, float number, and this just plain number, okay? And in this tutorial, I'm gonna talk to you about this character, and this will store character, and it will, let's say, 1 byte. Actually, it is 2 bytes. I made a mistake here, guys. Okay, this character is the abbreviator of this character and it takes 2 bytes from the memory space. I will come here and I will write character C equal, and I will write here, for example, 4. When I write this, you can see there's no problem here. You can write 4. And when you come here, SOUT, and click this C, and when you run this, you will see a, let's say, a sign like this, or let's change this to 65, and when you run this you will see big A or capital A, or let's change this to 77, you will see number, or you will see the capital M. Okay, so guys, I want to mention here something. This character is this character stores actually characters like this. Let me write, for example, A, B, C, D, or O, or P, or R, T, Y, like this. Okay, but just one of them. Not this character cannot store A, and let's say R. Okay, cannot be stored. This just can store this one character, one alphabet. Okay guys, and when you write here number, you will see we will have a table and it's called ASCII or ASCII table. I don't know how it's called. Okay, and according to this table, or number here have the key, let's say, alphabet here. For example, when you write 77, you will see capital M. Okay, when you write here, let's write 88, you will see another, I don't know by heart all of them. You can say this is capital X, and let's change this to 19. Let me see what we will see. This is capital Z. Okay guys, but for now you just we will not use character like this. We will use character like this. I will create here these marks, and inside of it I will write just one character like this. Okay, just A, just B, just G, just H, just K. Okay, K. But you cannot write here K and L, because when you write like this you will get error. You can see, let me show you why. Because too many characters in the character literal. You need to write just one character, L. You need to write just one M. Okay, and when you come here, when you run this, you will see your result like this. Okay, so for example, let's change this to B, and you will see your result like this, B. Okay guys, this is our character data type. Let me show you the last data type, and that is called Boolean, and this Boolean will store just true or false. Okay, this is Boolean data type. I will write here Boolean, and it is true or false. Okay, and it will be just 1 byte. It will take just 1 byte. Okay guys, so in this lecture we saw character and Boolean. Let me explain this Boolean to you. I will write Boolean B equal, for example, I will say true. Okay, but however, if you want to come here, and we have to write our semicolon here. Okay, if you want to come here and if you want to write, for example, Boolean, let's write I will say is underscore true equal, for example, you want to say 7, you will get an error because it's not the numeric data type. You need to write here something another. For example, you can write here 88. It is problem. You can write, let's write A like here. Okay, you will have a problem. You just can write here false, and you can just write true. Okay, guys, this is your Boolean variable, Boolean data type. I want to show you. I want to mention here something. In this lecture, in this tutorial, I will not use all of these variables with examples because it is your first lesson, it is your first step to programming or to Java, and I don't want to make you exhausted, guys. You just learn all of them, okay, and after learning, try to repeat. When you decide, oh, I learned this, I'm already master at these variables, okay, and go to the next section or next lecture. In the next lecture, I will show you examples, actual real-time examples using these booleans, using character, double, or integer, okay? And these 4 data types are most commonly used Java data types. Maybe you can, let's say, maybe you can forget this, but you will not forget this because each lesson we will use them. There will be no lesson that we will not use them. Each lesson we will use this 4 data type because they are so important for us. Okay, so in this lecture we saw Boolean and character data type. Let's finish our lesson here, and in the next lecture we will continue to our lessons.